Everyone. Welcome to another Marketing Backstage. My name is Silvia and I work as a designer at Raw Content, and it is a play. Before we get started, I will a little bit about myself. I'm a Canadian designer here at Raw Content for 2.5 years, developing interactive experiences. Our experiences include architecture and policy. We're going to talk about interactive calculators, you engage and convert more visitors in interactive content. Starting today's episode, let me to remind you about our Marketing Backstage. Marketing Backstage series is a webinar raw content where we bring together marketing experts from different teams to share our experiences and show how we can run our daily jobs, presenting best practices and tools to achieve our goals. This is an opportunity for you to gain further insight and inspire yourself to better execute your daily activities. With that being said, let's get started. Today's webinar, in the agenda, getting to know interactive calculators, applying interactive calculators in a content structure, applying logic, providing personalized experiences, how Ion can help you create an calculator quickly. Let's first take a look at getting to know interactive. Interactive calculators are logic-driven experiences that address specific problems for our target audience. Interactions generate engagement, collect, and provide valuable insights. Ion calculator. Calculators are built using the Ion platform to include single or multiple choice selections, and text inputs, drop-downs, and sliders. Now, let's take a look at the when, why, and how to apply interactive calculators in a strategy. Decision-making. Information helps reinforce design, providing evidence, key learnings, and sound logic that can be impactful when it comes to decision-making processes. The goals of interactive calculators. Intended audience, interactive calculators focus on asking specific questions to help solve a persona's pain point. Questions should focus on guiding the persona through the experience. Expected results should consider user inputs related to the persona's pain points. It should provide resources and additional information that leads a persona in the right direction. Data collection. Data can be collected and bring additional insights to pain points. Custom content. Results and final outputs can allow for the curation of customized content related to the initial pain points. They can further add on to address the initial pain point by curating content-specific outputs. Now, let's take a look at the benefits of interactive calculators. Interactive calculators help educate, nurture, and engage the audience. Calculators provide an opportunity to turn content into an interactive experience while also educating and engaging users. They can boost lead gen and increase conversion. Calculators target a specific audience experiencing their intentions in participation and increase in conversion for those seeking to gain further insight. They benefit from data collection. They help enhance define further research and areas of improvement for future experiences. Highly impactful when curating content for audience. Provide custom content displayed and geared towards the target audience, the user's results. Now, it is to look at how to apply logic. Identify the pain points. Identifying pain point, it is important to identify in order to ask the correct questions. Without a sound understanding of the underlying, it is difficult to create an experience that helps the user. Next is to ask the correct the pain point. Asking and providing choices, sliders, etc., help to better understand the users. And lastly, provide to the users that may interest for them to learn additional information or contact. By doing so, this can lead to more, resulting in better data collection and calculator inputs. Calculator templates are preset, have added to them and can be found on the results page. Logic and functions may not fit the calculator that you're intending to build, but they act as for custom content. The rules displayed have conditions and actions used, formulas and how data is saved. The rule is written in a linear hierarchy. It can be overwritten by one another if they share the field. Elements such as text box, drop-downs, and sliders in the logic by referring to the data. Such elements as choices and drop-downs have an value. When writing the rule field and the data value can be referenced that the action is only intended for the following and its corresponding selection. Now, let's take a look at experiences, collecting data and providing experiences. Data. By default, within ION, data can be collected and viewed and compare user results throughout the calculator. It is valuable to see by the user interactive calculator experience. Then be exported into supporting file format and be further categorized for future analytics and sorting. Select the Get a Free Demo button to learn more. ION capabilities allow from interactive calculators and pass through secondary party such as Marketo, HubSpot, or this means existing integration can work with ION. Personalized experience displaying results. Personalized can display conditional show high, dynamic content, and dynamic numerical value. Conditional show height references and data values in either the from inputs or from the rules. Conditional show heights can set up and display dynamically. They can be set up by selecting up any piece or within the Creative Studio and additional show hide by first selecting the dropdown with greater than or equal to and the data value. Can be a phrase, a word, or a numerical value. Content. Multiple actions data field. The data field is the same, but the data value changes the picture. Dynamic content can be displayed in curly brackets. This refers back to the hierarchy used in the rules. rules have a course have and share the same data field. Follows last will be if the corresponding condition. And lastly, dynamic values. User inputs or conditions can be displayed on a results page using the data field written between two curly brackets. Therefore, you can display the user's results from the rules by simply writing between two curly brackets. How create an interactive quickly. The Ion Templates Gallery. The Ion Template Gallery has over 70 experiences, including calculators and assessments that can help be a basis for customization and a great starting point for building elements. In the Ion platform, it includes elements such as text box, sliders, drop-down that can simply be dragged and dropped into the. This is located in the elements forms. Set data fields and choice sets. Within the Ion console, there are presets and choice sets that can be used for captions. That includes geolocation trees, basic ROI calculations, data. When defining the logic formulas, it is helpful to take active calculator experience and see the result. It is in calculator experiences to be tested and before going live. And it is important to run tests and continue make sure that the logic reflects intended outcome. This can be done when previewing the experience, leading to the preview collected data on the right side of the top screen. Using Ion to create interactive calculations. The templates gallery has over 7 experiences. The form elements pull interactive components such as axes, drop-downs, sliders, dragged and dropped into the calculator experience by the input types, and data collection can preview to ensure the calculator experience is functioning and collect the correct needed to display the results. Let's recap what we have learned how to get to know interactive. We have learned that they make and enhance content. You can gain further insight from and help develop future content. Applying interactive calculators in a content can ensure that the target audience is addressing the pain. Applying logic, providing personalized experiences, and existing Ion templates that can be a starting basis point for your customized experience. We have reached the end of our webinar today, and I thank you for attending and being here this afternoon. You were able to get some more insights that help you daily activity. This webinar has been and is now available for you to watch at the same link and share with anyone you think interested. If you have any, free to reach out to me on LinkedIn and watch our next edition of Market that will be held soon. Thank you. Have a great day.